Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NTEK. We will be taking a look at the daily time frame. Don't believe we've ever done this one before, but a great looking chart and makes a great little educational example too, and that's where I want to start. So just real quick, in terms of how you want to see stocks bottom out and then start to show life again. Perfect example here, you can see the price drop down, form this tight little channel here back in November and early December, broke out here on high volume. That was good. And then the more important part is when it pulled back, you can see it put in a higher low than what it was over here. And then again on the breakout day, big volume, and now we're all the way up here, and it's doing a good job again of putting in and working on a higher low. So I know that was kind of quick, but that just really points out of how things you want to see bottom, explode, put in a higher low, and then another higher high. So great job there in terms of the chart giving us a good little educational example. So anyways, onto the chart now. I already pointed this out, but we had the big movement up here on the volume came in, nice price reaction, and that's always what you want to see. And then I kind of already touched on this too, but the price was able to maintain itself in terms of holding on to the support. I moved that because I was checking to see if there was a support over there, but what we'll use for supports are going to kind of split the difference here and use that right there. What I mean by split the difference is you can see we had some lows up here, but then we also had some lows below it. So this is just the eyeball test here, but we'll make this support level right here at 0.0047. So 0.0047 is going to be an important level of support, but we actually have some new levels of support that were formed today because of where this closed, because we have an all-time new high in terms of where it's closed. I know that high was higher than this, but as far as closes are concerned, and then we have a new support here at 0.0076, and this will be the ideal support level. I'm going to leave this line skinny, and what I mean by ideal is ideally if the price can hold above this level, that would make the chart look the best. But if it doesn't, by no means is that mean that the chart's toast or dead, because you still do have other supports below it. But as far as if you were to ask me what would make the chart look the best in terms of the price maintaining a level, right now that would be 0.0076. But again, this isn't the end all be all support by any means. Now in terms of resistance levels, we have this one right there where the profit taker stepped in on the 11th, and that's up here at 009. So that'll be the initial resistance level. I'm going to leave that line skinny too, because I believe with another nice surge in volume, I don't think this level is going to put up much of a fight at all. And then for the next resistance, we have to go back a little bit, and actually it looks like it's going to be maybe, if not the same. Oh, okay, so I guess that makes sense on why this is a resistance, because you can see this previous price history over here. So actually, I'm going to take back what I said, and I think this 009 might put up a little bit more of a fight because there is this history over here with it. But again, with past history shows us how this one can move pretty explosively with the right amount of volume. I still don't think this will put up too much of a fight, but probably a little bit more of a fight than what I initially expected before I saw that. So after 009, the next level of resistance is this previous high up here, which is probably right at well, it's 0.0099, so we're going to call it a penny. No surprise there, because a penny is always a psychological level of resistance anyways. But 0.009 and then 0.01 will be the two current levels of resistance. If the price can get some closes up above there, then I'm sure I'll be back to update the chart. So overall, though, great looking chart. If there are any other questions, let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for the newsletter, which you can do up there. And as you'll see, if you sign up, you'll get a free ebook. With your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards on to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. And also, if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting, I'd encourage you to check out our video course down there. It's over 8.5 hours of information, and it'll be a good asset to you if you want to add, charting and technical analysis into your trading tool belt. So again, this was a video chart on NTEK. Thanks for listening, and enjoy your weekends.